Right-click this computer, click Manage to enter the Device Manager interface. We will find unknown devices in other device options. Double-click the unknown device, click Update Driver, click Browse Computer to find the driver, click Browse to select the file. Find the EZCAD3 file, click on the driver, click on the 1_1_DLC driver, select the subfile DLC driver. When finished, click Next and wait for the end of the reading and click Close. Close the window and we find that the driver has been installed. After closing the device manager, we found that the software still cannot be opened. At this time we need to activate the dongle. Open the folder and find EZCAD3 file. Double-click the License Manager to drop the Line 64 program. Click on a blue circle to select Network Activation. Enter the activation code on the dongle to activate the dongle. After finishing, we can use EZCAD3 software.